Imagine, for a moment, that we are not living in the world we think we are. What if this reality is actually an intricate simulation constructed by advanced beings or technologies far beyond our comprehension? This idea that our entire universe is a simulated environment has been proposed by thinkers and philosophers like Nick Bostrom, who suggest that if civilizations can advance to the point of creating simulations indistinguishable from reality, then it's highly likely we are inside one of those very simulations. Think of it this way: just as video games today offer immersive worlds filled with artificial intelligence and lifelike graphics, it's possible that an advanced civilization could have the computational power to create a simulation on a cosmic scale. The idea isn't that our lives are controlled by someone else, but that the laws of physics, the forces of nature, and even the boundaries of our consciousness are part of this hyper-realistic program. The evidence. Well, take a look around. The structure of the universe itself seems to follow mathematical patterns like a code. Quantum mechanics has introduced concepts like particles existing in multiple states until observed, much like how a simulation only renders a scene when we look at it. There's also the phenomenon of déjà vu, that eerie sensation of having experienced something before. Could it be a glitch in the matrix? Or what about the fact that we haven't encountered any other advanced civilizations? In a simulation, we might be the only real beings, or maybe the creators simply haven't programmed anyone else into the system yet. And then there's the argument that if it's possible to create a simulation, then there are probably countless simulations out there. With so many possibilities, the likelihood that we are in the base reality diminishes. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. You wouldn't expect to be the one person living outside of the simulation if there are billions of others, all coded to experience their own worlds. We can't prove it, at least, not yet. But the idea that we live in a simulation is both unsettling and fascinating. It challenges our ideas about existence, free will, and the very nature of what it means to be alive. If we are in a simulation, it begs the question, who or what is running it? And, ultimately, why?